Are we doing this? So here it is. I've upgraded to 5.5. I have the BP test. Let's open that one up. Kind of same thing. You can see same blueprints as I did in 5.2. Let me open up. This is the CPP test. Again, same thing as the blueprint in 5.2. So 1,000 times, 1,000 times, and then I did actually, so let's look at this one real quick before we get into the actual test. That's the asset manager. I did, oh, where is it? Again, I don't know why I wrote asset manager. That's the wrong one. Inventory manager? Yeah, this is it. So, um, this is 5.5, so fresh project. I did the remove item definition and then test add remove. No usage, that's weird. It should be. Whatever, ignore that. Uh, anyways, so again, I just kind of threw it in at the bottom. I've got the remove item definition because that is the remove item definition that we're using for what, like the drop or the remove, I don't know, the hand-to-hand combat, whatever. Uh, and then it's just the test function, right? So all we're doing is adding the item definition and then removing it, which should be the same as we're doing here, right? Add, are we removing it? Add item definition. Hmm. Well. That might be the wrong one. Oh, I'm only adding. I'm not adding and removing. Uh, yeah, see here I'm adding and removing. Do I have remove? I don't know. Well, that is interesting now. I guess that makes a little bit more sense. I did run the test earlier, so you guys know. Maybe you don't know. I know what it is, but you guys don't. Sorry. I guess I have to remove. Do I have to remove? Do I even have? Um, do I have remove item? Inventory. Remove item definition. Yeah. Shit. I never called that. All right. Um, okay, well, let's not call this. Let's see what the difference is. So this is a new one for me. I actually haven't seen this one yet. And then, sorry, so here I've got the pure CPP test. Okay, let me show you the pure CPP test. So all of this stuff is the same. I did have to modify it a little bit to work in 5.5. I did have to add this object pointer before the static mesh and the U-box component. So those are changes. You do have to add those in 5.5. I forget what the reason was. I believe it has to do, I had to Google it. Has to do with garbage collection, I think, is UE5 is moving more towards that direction. So anyways, all of this stuff again is the same. It's same as what's up on the GitHub. But to run it in 5.5, you do have to add those object pointers. So then again, getting into the CPP file, this is the same as it was before. I don't think I modified this at all. So we've got your variables that we're setting. And hold on, where do we get down into inventory? Right here, I think. Yeah, so we're just gonna run it for 1,000 times. We're gonna add the definition, remove the definition, and then we print out our seconds. So that is the pure CPP actor. So, um, but let's run it. Let's check this out. Oh, sorry, they were shooting at me earlier. All right. Boom. Okay, so look at that. 225. Right? Oh, 1896. It's a bit inconsistent. Interesting, right? Keep that in mind. So it looks like the pure CPP test is actually the slowest, which it wasn't the first time, which is weird. Anyways, um, that was weird. Oh, well, check this out. Okay, I gotta do this. Let's do that again. Oh, see, now the blueprint's a lot slower. Okay, well, anyways, that being said, um, I'm gonna have to stop this. I'm gonna have to repackage my project again, and I will be right back. I did have to repackage. Apparently, I am an idiot and had a typo in between uh, stuff. And I also had to redo the blueprint actor for the BP test. Anyways, sorry, it looks like the blueprint is a little slower, not by much, but enough to be a noticeable difference. So, uh, not really the answer I guess I wanted to see. I wanted them to all be the same. I wonder if, I mean, I run it 10,000 times, if it'll be noticeably different. But it looks like, I mean, once you compile, it does, I don't know, does lessen the difference, I guess. Um, let's try it. And there's 0. Did I save these? Save, save, save. Stop and rerun it. Okay, and we're back, so let's run it. All right, so Blueprints is significantly slower. So now let's go ahead and delete that platform. We're going to Windows, Package Project, and I will be back in a minute. Sorry. All right, let's load this up. They're gonna shoot and make noise again. I'm sorry. Whatever. We're doing it. All right. Sorry. And now you're shooting at me. Okay, ready? Boom, boom, boom. 11, 18, 22. So I 16, 14. They're close. So I'll try and pause the video here. Anyways, so you can see, running it 10,000 times. Blueprints is still noticeably slower, but I mean, what am I running this 10,000 times? So I mean, you can run quite a bit. I was running it 1,000 times and it wasn't that noticeable. So, um, I don't know, definitive. I guess I gotta do one more, don't I? I gotta package the, what is it, the casting. All right. No one's asking for it, but I'm gonna do it anyways. Whatever. I gotta get back to making my game. So I'm migrating everything over to 5.5. I'll let you know how that goes. I'll do the city sample. I know some of you guys have been asking me about the city sample in 5.5. So that is next. So I don't know. Like, subscribe, all of those things. Hit the "You're an idiot" button. Someone type "You're an idiot. Use me as the idiot" button. And then everyone else can like that comment. No, it's so stupid, but like that helps me with the algorithm, right? I don't know, whatever. Modern society is weird. Anyways, I'm gonna shut up now. I will catch you guys next time.